The amazing health benefits of avocados you need to know. Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. This creamy fruit, packed with nutrients, offers a wide range of health benefits that can make you feel rejuvenated and even appear younger. Whether you're aiming to improve your skin health, manage your weight, or boost your brain function, avocados have something to offer. In this video, we will dive deep into the many ways avocados can enhance your well-being and help fight off certain illnesses. Before we jump into the specific health benefits, let's quickly talk about choosing the right avocado. While avocados are great for your health, the variety and ripeness of the avocado you choose can make a big difference. There are several types of avocados, each with its own set of benefits. Hass avocados are the most popular variety, known for their rich flavor and high fat content. They also have more antioxidants and monounsaturated fats. On the other hand, fuerte avocados, with their smooth skin and slightly lower fat content, are also a healthy option. When selecting an avocado, make sure it yields slightly to gentle pressure but isn't overly soft. Avoid ones with black spots or soft patches, as these could indicate spoilage. Now, let's explore the numerous ways avocados can improve your health. 7. Weight management. For anyone looking to manage their weight, avocados can be an invaluable addition to your diet. One of the key reasons for this is the fruit's high fiber content and healthy fats, which contribute to increased satiety. When you consume avocados, you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. A study published in 2019 in Nutrients revealed that incorporating avocados into meals helped increase feelings of fullness and reduce the need to eat for up to 5 hours afterward. The monounsaturated fats found in avocados are particularly beneficial for metabolism. These healthy fats help the body burn fat more effectively, contributing to a more efficient metabolism overall. Additionally, avocados contain compounds that help target and reduce belly fat, a key factor in maintaining a healthy metabolism. Whether you're looking to lose weight or maintain your current weight, the fiber, healthy fats, and low-calorie density of avocados make them an excellent choice for supporting your weight management goals. 6. Blood sugar control. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those at risk of diabetes. Avocados are an excellent food choice for regulating blood sugar. Their high fiber content slows the absorption of carbohydrates, which helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. A 2018 study published in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research found that eating avocados improved glycemic control and insulin sensitivity in adults. Monounsaturated fats, which are abundant in avocados, also help improve insulin responsiveness, a vital factor in controlling blood sugar levels. Because they are low in carbohydrates, avocados are an ideal addition to low-carb diets designed to regulate blood sugar. Consuming avocados regularly may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and contribute to long-term blood sugar control. So, if you're looking to improve your blood sugar levels, including avocados in your diet is a smart choice. 5. Skin health. If you're seeking to maintain healthy, glowing skin, avocados are a game changer. This fruit is rich in good fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which help nourish and hydrate the skin from the inside out. Additionally, avocados contain essential vitamins such as vitamin C and EA, which play a crucial role in maintaining skin health. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis, which helps keep skin tight and smooth. Collagen is the protein responsible for skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, but regular avocado consumption can help mitigate this decline by providing the necessary nutrients for collagen production. Moreover, the antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, found in avocados help protect the skin from harmful UV rays and oxidative damage. This makes avocados an excellent choice for those looking to combat premature aging and maintain youthful skin. According to a 2017 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, consuming avocados regularly can increase skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. 4. Eye health. Your eyes deserve as much attention as your skin, and avocados can help protect them from age-related disorders. Rich in two powerful carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, avocados play a key role in protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and maintaining healthy vision. These carotenoids accumulate in the retina and help filter harmful blue light, reducing the risk of macular degeneration, a common age-related eye condition. In addition to carotenoids, avocados contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps prevent cataracts and other age-related eye conditions. The healthy fats in avocados also improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, amplifying their protective effects on eye health. A study published in 2023 by the Multidisciplinary Digital Publishing Institute suggests that consuming avocados regularly can support long-term eye health and help preserve vision as you age. 3. Brain function support. Avocados aren't just good for your skin and eyes, they also have a significant impact on brain health. Packed with monounsaturated fats, vitamin K, and antioxidants, avocados provide essential nutrients that support brain function. These nutrients help protect the brain from inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to cognitive decline and the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A 2020 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that older adults who regularly consumed avocados had better cognitive performance. Avocados are also a great source of folate, which is essential for lowering homocysteine levels, high levels of which are linked to cognitive decline. Additionally, avocados contain tyrosine, an amino acid that helps synthesize neurotransmitters, promoting brain health and supporting mood stability. With their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, avocados serve as a protective shield for the brain, helping to combat cognitive decline and improve mental clarity. Including avocados in your diet can boost both brain function and overall cognitive health. 2. Pregnancy support. Pregnancy is a critical time for both the mother and the developing baby, and avocados are packed with nutrients that support a healthy pregnancy. One of the key nutrients in avocados is folate, which is crucial for proper fetal development and the prevention of neural tube defects. Consuming avocados during pregnancy can help ensure the healthy development of the baby's brain and nervous system. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of complications during pregnancy, such as high blood pressure. Additionally, the fiber in avocados helps prevent constipation, a common issue during pregnancy. Avocados are also beneficial for the mother's health, as they provide B vitamins that aid in energy metabolism and help reduce pregnancy-related fatigue. For expectant mothers looking to support both their own health and the health of their baby, avocados are an excellent choice. 1. Cancer prevention. Avocados contain bioactive compounds, including healthy fats, phenols, and carotenoids, that may help prevent the formation and spread of cancer. These compounds work by reducing oxidative stress and preventing the growth of cancerous cells. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants, particularly glutathione, which protects cells from oxidative damage, a major contributor to the development of cancer. Moreover, research has shown that certain compounds in avocados may trigger apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells, which helps stop their growth. Avocado fiber is also beneficial for colon health and may help lower the risk of colorectal cancer. While more research is needed, incorporating avocados into your diet as part of a cancer-fighting meal plan is a promising strategy for preventing cancer and supporting overall health. Conclusion: choosing the right avocado. To reap the maximum benefits from avocados, it's important to choose the right variety. While Hass avocados are known for their rich flavor and higher fat content, Fuerte avocados are also a great choice with a smoother texture and slightly lower fat content. When selecting an avocado, be sure to choose one that yields to gentle pressure but is not overly soft or squishy. Avoid avocados with black spots or soft patches, as these could indicate spoilage. Incorporating avocados into your diet can provide a wide array of health benefits, from weight management and blood sugar control to improved skin health and brain function. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, prevent chronic diseases, or simply feel more energized, avocados offer a nutrient-packed solution. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Stay healthy and see you in the next one.